Alrighty. I need my YouTube account. Oh, you fucking idiot. You changed the bloody. And I'm already fucking. I need my YouTube account. Oh my god. Put people in timeout for different lengths, range of 10 seconds to 24. Oh shit, nice. Okay. Um. Alrighty, I'm gonna mention 30 plus people, but who gives a fuck? There's like only like 40 something people in here, so there we go. Anyone who's got that thing. Damn, okay. Cool. Alrighty, so or did you make a print for? Oh, you're not using specific functions for the lib. Well, um, all right. I think we'll be fine. Yay! I got my black and white camera from my computer on, so you can visibly see me in disgust as I absolutely fuck up and fuck around. Can I add a filter that changes the stupid filter, edit filter? No, that's screen capture. Let's go video capture device. Dramatic. Now keep it as grayscale. Image mask. Oh, I can add a VST2 plugin. That's cool. Color key. Can I actually color key? What about everything that is currently said color? Okay, that's not gonna work. That sucks. Um, what if I... Fuck. Um, I need something I can put behind me. Ooh, hold on. If I focus it just directly on that box thing by, first off, um, color keying that specific stuff. So, no, not me, you fucking idiot. Alright, what if I change it back to none? Okay, anything similar to it. Disappear. No, not me, you fat bitch. I'm talking about the stuff behind it. Oh, because it's not lit correctly. That works. Maybe a bit. No, it doesn't work at all. I'm not blue, you fucking idiot. Hey! I mean, this works. Actually, it looks quite cool. Not gonna lie. If I do that. Color key spill reduction. And that brings me back to. Yeah, but I don't know. It's confusing. Okay. Can I do proper color chroma key and stuff? No, I guess not. Oh, that sucks. What if I hold on? Give me 1 second. Let me. Uh, hold on. Let me. Let's look. Let's look this shit up. All right. No, I don't. But I don't have a green screen, and I don't have like 400 lights. Oh yeah, broadcast NVIDIA broadcast. Oh shit, I forgot about that. I need to download it. So any room to home studio. Oh, that means I get access to um all my stuff, like cameras. I'm gonna go. Give me 1 second. Fuck. I'm gonna go. I know I should have done this beforehand, but give me a break. I'm gonna go quickly drop out of this back into intermission. Um, and I'm just gonna chat to make sure you guys all know that I'm still here. So essentially, hold on, let's add a source text. Okay, stream starting soon. Nope, not even a bit. Hey, all. Backend. Screw it. For the whole stream, we're getting the Why did you make a print function? Because I didn't want to. I always like print functions. Just print. Like no print line exclamation mark bang print line bang that shit. But you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so with Rust, I made a public in. I did a sort of you know how C++ has its like C++ main.c++ files, and you've got the header files. I made a sort of header file called lib.rs, and then I just did modlib inside mod, which is like include hashtag include or import or like using, but like Rust's version. And so what I did, I defined my functions in there. So like print create file with contents, because we're working with you've already seen it from the screen, but yeah, I made a print function that takes in a string reference at string pointer. It was a message. The message gets printed. I don't know why they do. I don't know why, like, instead of doing, okay, in like most conventional languages, if you wanted to print a value, for example, you would do open curly bracket, the name of the variable that you want to print, then close curly brackets inside your string, either doing a money sign, a dollar sign, or dollar sign in C-based languages, or an F in Python, like F string. But in fucking Rust, you do in quotation marks, you put anywhere within your string a fucking open and closed curly bracket or brace. Then you add on as a separate argument the message or the item that you want. It's not inside the brackets. It's on the next fucking thing. It's on the. That's it. I'm bringing it while the NVIDIA fucking installs its shit. I'm going to show you this bullshit. Fuck it. Look at this. Look. Hi. Look at it. Right there. Right fucking there. Read that. Read the fucking message. Hold on. Oh, shit. Look at it. Look at it. Fuck it. What the fuck? Instead of doing a simple fucking, um, let's do, string cat equals cat, and then we'll just do, this is in the main header plus plus, we'll do, let's include string. Fucking normal shit. We'll go down here. We'll do a capital S because it's gonna be fucking angry. Wait, is it gonna work? Okay, we do. String str. Hello world. You do that, right? And then sudo print. Money sign to these things, and then you do str. Print. Okay, you know what I get this. Python does this. See, this is really fucking easy. And if I would do the same functions in, you know, C sharp, see, look, but fucking, fuck this. And Rust has to go along and do this fucking bullshit. Take a message in, do your fucking thing, pass the stupid bitch over as a fucking argument. Are you fucking kidding me? No wonder I don't like working with Rust. It's not like a bad language, but come on, you fucking gobsmacking bitch. I was about to say the N word, but that's not nice. Oh shit, I said it. Damn. You know, it's. Oh, yay. My shit's being changed to NVIDIA. Camera. Okay, let's go back here and let's remove the video capture device. Alright, that comes back up. So my camera's gonna be like, hello. Hello. It's gonna detect me and be like, that's blue and stuff, and it'll be like, oh, there we go. AI now know. Oh, let me go remove this background real quick. I have. Oh, alright. I have put my bed down. Yes, it's an inflatable bed. My actual mattress is out doing shit at the moment. That's really fucking smooth. What the hell? Background removal. Give me performance. I don't auto frame. Okay, that's actually quite fucking sick. That's actually pretty fucking nice. Okay, background blur really kind of yikes. Vignette. Ah, that's it. Fuck it. I'm so sorry. I am so. Oh my god. I can't. Jesus Christ. I can't not. This looks really. I am. That looks really fucking scary. Yikes. Okay, maybe this drops down yeah, there we go. All right, cool. Yippee. All right, and I can move this over. Sounds like an absolute fucking jet engine. What's Task Manager looking like? NVIDIA Broadcast is using. Oh, what? Oh shit! I thought it was gonna be like a lot more taxing on my CPU and shit. No, it's completely fine. Okay, now I need to. I need to do sources, video capture device. I need to add the source as the video capture device. Then I can change it to the NVIDIA Broadcast. The NVIDIA Broadcast. It is now black and white. Deactivate when not showing. Thank you. Now I can successfully move around the image with no background. Yippee. I'm gonna put you there. Actually, no. I'm gonna put myself down there. Hold on. Whoa. Whoa. Fucking move myself around. All right. So we're down here. You don't get to see my sources because fuck you. All right. Let's bring you back out a bit so I can actually read the fucking code that I'm working with. So that's way too far. Okay. So today I've got a bit of stuff that I want to work. A bit of stuff that I want to work on. First off, we've got. I just wanted to do a sort of like, let's go along and create a couple of things. Because I was on my way home from going to the store. I was thinking, all right, on top of I'm getting errors from this. Okay, you wonder why I have these two things here? Hold on. Clear. Okay, so this one is PowerShell. This one's for Rust. This one is for C++ because C++ uses, you can probably tell already the errors that I'm going to face. I've got include path already updated, but it's not working for Qt. So instead, I've got a main.pro file here that does most of our sort of sources work for our stuff. So we have, here's the profile that does the thing that creates the make file. Don't ask. This is all the content of the make file. I don't understand it. Yes, I'm running Kali Linux because I am too lazy to install Ubuntu, and it's way easier. And plus I get access to things like this one GUI thing that's like directly built into Kali Linux, which is actually fucking sick. You know what? That's it. I'm fucking sticking with this size. It's either one size too big or one size too small. There's never a fucking like center. Alright, but on top of here, yes, I'm working with C++, and yes, this is Python. I've got C++, Rust, and Python with all in the same project working together. All of them are going to be compiled to exe anyways. So, all right. In here we've got our help thing that's going to be done. And in C++ land, C++ land, I'm going to do a new. I think we can include our header files, right? Yeah, we can. Because I mean, at the end of the day, they're still going to be included. Okay, they'll all be in like main, and it'll give us some things. So we'll do check CubeScript dot C++. This one does include main dot h plus plus. I don't know why they've got h and h plus plus fucking header files when you could just use C++ as the header files. Like, they're the fucking same thing. Look, I have literally defined a make widgets and print function inside the fucking header files, and they compile just fine. It's like an entire fucking renamed version of like C++, which is, oh god, fuck. Like, it's the fucking same. .h. What the fuck's going on with Visual Studio Code? Calm down, bro. Okay, so on top of here, so inside our include function, is it expected a file? What do you mean it expected a file name? Oh, yeah, I did it wrong. Yikes. All right, include errors detected. Shut your fucking mouth. We can actually no, we'll do include CubeScript .h++. So then we'll have to make a I'm like a sort of, and I'll just yoink this, and I'll put this inside of the h++ file. From here, CubeScript include errors. Excuse me. Oh, okay. All right. Let's do let's in std lib.h, which is the SCIH string iostream fstream, not Q application, because we're not working with that. Something's not right. What the hell? Cannot open source file CubeScript.h plus what? Okay, what if I? Oh, probably because I have it named differently. Rename. See script. Okay, what if I do that? Will that work instead? Yes, it doesn't like capitals. Quite sad. Oh, that is actually pretty hot. And I'll cool down. Alright, so do int main int args. We're not doing any Q applications, so we'll be fine. What do we want to do? Oh yeah, okay. So, how do? All right. So, on my way home from the store to pick up some soda, because you know, sort of things. Okay. So essentially, what we currently have, right? What I'm thinking is we have the main file, the function that runs everything. Each language that is targeted with inside Rust, like Rust, C#, C, C++, yes, all of these are being created with the file with contents from here. Don't know why there's an insane amount of use with these two fucking semicolon things, but yeah, it's alright. We can make a second fucking section in the make file, like qmake compiler check force make cube script make, which would be make file cc uh, cc o CubeScript C++. That would run. So make a CubeScript that does the thing. So that's on the same sort of file for this. Everything's gonna be fine. So all right, in here, we've got the main function. I'll stop scattering on. So with our function, essentially this is the main program that's going to run all of our things, our functions, our no, that's upside down. So we get access to functions, not fuck, what am I thinking of? Sorry, I'm just trying to change. How do I flip my camera again? Camera properties, camera control. Yeah, fuck it. Screw it. Not gonna. Alright, so essentially what we do is we've got our oh, hold on, here we go. Hey, now I'm looking in the right way. It's my right hand. Hey. Alright, this one's my left hand. Looking the way you're looking at me. Alright, so essentially, we've got the main function. The main function is written in C++. Each of the subsequent things. So C++ is the main sort of section we've got in here. This one's like the window for running for like running documentation. So like you've got so you've got CubeScript.c++, which is the actual main, and then you've got main.c++ over here, which is like the sort of stuff related to Qt. This does running the documentation files such as like help.py. This one opens in your terminal if you want to. You can do help underscore terminal, which opens the documentation in your terminal, or you can do just regular old help, and it'll open it up as a window on your desktop. Now, I am quite sad because I can't target Windows, and the whole point is to target Windows with this bullshit. I'm going to try my hardest to try either this stream or next stream to install Qt for Windows, because it's installed. Qt Creator is here, as you can see on my fucking taskbar, right down here. Qt Creator 12.0 Community is installed. Either I'll download them, download the binaries, put them in the include path, and then build from source Qt, which I'm probably going to do it anyways. Maybe even now. Nah, leave it for later. Actually, get to the coding aspect. But essentially, we have the this one. This runs for like window-based documentation. Help.py, regular fucking terminal-based documentation using using textual. Then we have main.rs over here in the Rust land or Rust sanction, which is the project creator for creating a DLL, for creating DLLs, EXEs, WPF applications, anything from like Rust, C#, C, or C++, like specific applications that rock towards that thing. Currently, DLL and executables are supported here for now, while I work on the stuff. And from when you go to run it, the CubeScript.c++. Let's actually get to there. Now, this file is the file that runs most of all the stuff. This one, you call this one in your local fucking directory, or you add it to path, and you call CubeScript, and it compiles, or call it CSVM or whatever. We'll call this one CSVM. Rename CSVM because I know it's going to be bugging people. But here, you pass it arguments using argc, argv, blah, blah, blah. Like, do you want to compile it? Do you want to create? And then it'll run the creation thing. It'll open that up as a terminal command, a terminal prompt, that sort of things. You pass it a path, and the path will, it'll call the function stuff if it's not running as a standalone application, that sort of stuff. And also it runs checks to make sure that everything within inside the folder is completely correct. Because if it isn't, then something is wrong, something's missing, your installation is broken, or you just haven't finished it yet. And it'll tell you, hey, you have a very bad problem. We have a very bad problem. Your installation of the CSVM CubeScript virtual machine, the transpiler, the most or whatever whatever's missing, has failed to check to see if it exists. Now, this doesn't mean that it won't function, like in terms of compiling. It's just more so on the fact, like, it depends. Is the documentation gone? Did the person accidentally like not install documentation? Like, hey, your documentation's not gone. It is gone, but everything else is there. It still can run. But if you're missing like the main fucking functions for most of your languages that you want to target, then something's going on. You're fucked, and yikes, we're not gonna run. Now, in the implementation land for running with multiple different programming languages, we have transpiler 3.0.py. All of it happens right in here, transpiling to from CubeScript to like C Sharp, Rust, C++, C, all that stuff. Now, each file doesn't contain a specific section, a specific piece of code. Well, not this file won't target all the languages. It'll be duplicated with different things. This has CS transpiler.py. That's going to be the name of it. It'll compile and it'll be like CS transpiler.exe or .bin or like no bin file at the end. Each language will have a copy of this modified to directly suit the language. If the statement appears to be, if the language is this and the statement is that, yeah, that could work. If there's a specific file in your directory, say cargo.toml, that one switches directly to Rust output. But instead, that check is going to be directly within CubeScript or CSVM.c++. From there, if this is that, it'll run the specific program for the transpiler, say CS transpiler.py, but like CS transpiler.exe or .bin, rs, c, c, c++, that that sort of thing. From here, we have more so base. Yeah, it's going to take up a bit more code, and it's going to take a bit more to sort of go through and edit it all, but it's better off if we get the C# implementation working first. From there, we can copy and modify it to suit our needs. It'll all collect our stuff. Our statements will return this stuff, that stuff. We can modify it to suit the languages. JavaScript could be a target. WebAssembly, I want to get it to go through C++, which could be good. JavaScript to WebAssembly is also an option. Because I'm thinking we have a WASM WebAssembly module that gets added on here. It's like, hey, you want to compile for WebAssembly, you need to install a module, or like the first module that comes with it is C#. That's what comes default with the program, so you can actually get started coding. And that's what the language is most supported for. But if you want to compile for like Rust, JavaScript, Java, C++, you have to download them as add-ons, modules. Otherwise, it's just going to either segmentation fault if there's no error correcting, which there probably will be, or there actually will be error correction and be like, hey, you don't have this module installed. It's just put it inside your folder, put it inside the add-ons folder, and it'll be completely fine. We'll run it from there. Now, the problem is trying to get it to run from path. That's a bit of a problem. Like, how do we get the current location of where the user is running the implementation, like the stuff? And how are we gonna do all the building. Uh, we can run the cargo Toml stuff on. I really want to get. Now I'm half certain that I'm just okay. If it's Windows, run the stupid run the Python version completely within the terminal. They don't have access to Qt unless someone can build for Qt for me, or I can get it to work. And if it's Linux, run the Qt version. Get a window. Scroll through all your documentation. You can also still do the stuff through there. And from oh, screw it. Let's just go. Let's actually get started because I've been rambling on for 36 minutes. Fuck me. All right. So first off, we need to check to see if specific files are in the directory. If not, print an error string. So get the contents of the it'll okay. Okay. Oh yeah, because lol. I completely forgot. It's not function declaration. Then the program will exit with an error code. Set up a std string. Okay, sus. Okay, so we do shit. Oh, fuck off. Bro, just got leaked. Lol. Alright. Alright, what are we looking for? Fuck, that's a ooh. Uh creator. Alrighty, so from here we'll do creator dot bin. No. We'll look for creator. If there's a file named creator, we'll be fine. It can run on Windows or Linux or well. Okay. Creators in here. Add-ons slash. Obviously, it'll error out saying, "Hey, none of these files are gonna work," because that'll mean that hey, it's searching the directory, good, and it'll search for it and it'll run. Add-ons slash. Add-on slash CS transpiler, and then this one we'll do. I don't know. We'll keep it as keep it as what we need is. All right, set up an okay. File extensions to search for exe dll bin. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, this is a sort of oh yikes. Okay, now from here we can search the directory if Oh yeah, we need an IO stream and fuck. Yeah, and that all goes in our CubeScript.h++. Nice. Hold on. String.h. We don't need that. Yippee. That's good. That's okay. We're all fine. Current working directory. Searching for files. From here is if path does not contain if equals there, could not find the current working directory. Else found working directory, then we'll search for blood. Ooh. Okay, found. If I exists, I will do a set up a string. This includes most of the fucking lines are just comments. So std int found files equals 0 from here. What is it? Is that correct? Oh yeah, we don't need. Oh, because it's an integer. It'll probably be like, no, 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 no. Can't do that. Make CubeScript. Fail error. No such file or directory. What? CubeScript C++. CubeScript.h++. This one contains the S and the C, and then we run make CubeScript C++. No such file or directory. What do you mean no such file or directory? Are you fucking taking the piss? You fucking cunt. CubeScript C++. Compilation terminate. What do you mean terminated? /main. Yeah, obviously this is going to be a bit. But there's our window for the console window. So okay, GCC main, GCC cubes. Oh, it's fuck. IO has not been declared. Path was not declared. IO has not been declared. Yikes. Uh, Fuck off. Um, what's going on? Oh, IO stream and string. You know what? Do that. Running this? What do you mean? What the fuck? You know what? Fuck it. I am not dealing with this. I fucking swear. There. We've included file system, namespace FS to the S. Ooh. Okay. You're all gonna fucking hate me, but hopefully maybe 652 seconds in the future. What? Uh, um, Weird. Are you? What's going on to make this not compile quickly? C++ should be fast, not fucking. What if I just fuck off half the library requirements inside the header file? Will that fix it? Hashtag include C. Printf was not declared in the scope. Is defined in header C studio. I did. Because it's right there, you stupid bitch. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Fail, no error. H plus return reduces to H. This doesn't compile because IOStream doesn't exist. What? CubeScript.h. What? Message file or directory IOStream. Oh, yeah, this is C. GCC tech O. Rename this to H plus plus again. Rerun the thing. Cout is not a member of STD. Why does it take so long to run this shit? You know, you'd expect it to be like pretty fast. I've Clang. What about Windows? Can I use shit? Okay. split terminal with PowerShell. cd slash cd c++ gcc. Maybe this works. Whoa. Cool. And then this doesn't give me errors. Yikes. What the hell have I done? LD returned error status. Undefined reference to stdc out. GCC tac. Oh. CubeScript. CSVM dot C++ CubeScript dot H plus plus. And then be like, brr, again. Right? No? Oh. Did it actually work? There's no way that this thing just worked. Well, it's dead. It's dying. Maybe... It's probably Visual Studio going all goo goo gaga. What the fuck is Discord doing? Discord's taking up like 13% of my CPU. Microsoft Edge, Streamlabs. Yep, SBS code. Yeah. I know. Fuck off. Fuck off, would ya? God damn. Alright. We're back in. Maybe restarting Visual Studio Code has fixed cd C++. Then we run the taco command again. Hopefully this, whatever that happens, fixes whatever we need to fix. And then it works. Because I'm going to be driven insane. And no fucking fucking exe files. Are you... Take Clang. Clang++. G++. G++ exists. CubeScript. Okay. CSVM dot C++. That's gonna be like... Okay, honestly... Stray character, null characters are odd. CubeScript. What? What do you mean error? Lord have fucking mercy. What the fuck? What the hell? Is this a fucking source file or something? Reveal in File Explorer. I'm gonna upload this to fucking Git to do fucking 49 kilobytes. 49,000 actually. is oh, it says it's a Qt project Qt creator, 25 megabytes. Um, I'm just gonna go upload this to GitHub. Upload wired weird. What the fuck? I didn't. What the hell? How the how the bloody hell did this happen? Like, in what conceivable way did how to fuck? Sorry about that. Oh, that's like so. I thought someone fucking stomped into my door. How did this corrupt itself? Like, because if you think about it, out of all the files that are within the system, Atomic H did the compiler cause this? Maybe that's why it was taking so long to write the file, or like to decode for the file, because it was like trying to do that specific shit. Okay, what else did fucked up? So the CSVM.c++ is the only file that's completely fucking wrecked. What if I just like scroll all the way to the bottom? It's fine. What if I copy some of this text and I try to paste it in Discord? It doesn't work. It's just a fucking queue. Okay, that's cool. Is it gonna upload to GitHub? Maybe? Maybe not. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna take a screenshot of it. Uh, there. It's up on GitHub. Now I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna open in my integrated terminal. Then I'm gonna copy this file. Then I'm gonna paste it to my desktop. From here, I'm gonna fuck. Alright, we're back to normal. No errors, nothing. Alright, since it's not uploading to GitHub, quite sad, I'm going to restart Visual Studio Code again for the fucking third time. I guess for the second time. Hopefully, when this loads back up, I'm going to be able to, instead of supposedly sending it off to wherever, yeah, we could use GCC, but CSV and C++, fix error with C++, commit, send it off. Seeing the change, nothing to worry about. Quite sad, but we'll have to work with it again. Hopefully this time it doesn't corrupt itself, because this one I can build on Windows and Linux and Mac if GCC is supported on there. So we do hashtag include h++, int main, int CubeScript, what the fuck? Okay, so initialize start a check to see if all the files all so the server not gonna start okay. No using namespace. What kind of bullshit is this? Maybe we'll do some C# as well. Goodbye Rust. Hello C#. Well, no, we're gonna keep all of them. C# is now a new language I can add on top. Yeah. I think this one will be dedicated to all those console fans who want that Open Studio CLI type bullshit. Start the check for the files. Void check function for CSVM. A number of arguments. Int check CSVM. Send it off to where? Generally requires the auto type specify. Oh yeah, no, we can't do that. Okay, int check CSVM. What? Okay, we'll do check the CSVM is if the component IO std checking for CSVM components. No, we're inside you. We're inside the fucking function. You fat bitch. Okay, checking for CSV components. Look inside the folders that the std io from here we'll just but we already have IO and file stream. Okay, from here these go into IO stream, file stream. Checking for CSVM components, we'll get the current path. This is way easier because I barely know this. Going to look for CSVM dot exe. We're going to look for CSVM. Then we're going to look for okay. Gonna make sure slash add-on slash cs transpiler. This genuinely depends on the system, so we're just going to have them as It's gonna be like a running file, but it's just gonna be called nothing. It's just gonna either not gonna have like an extension or nothing is going to run. All right. So we get CSV compiler, CS transpiler. Also make sure the help documentation is there so people can actually use it. So help. And that's about it. If these files don't exist, so GCC, G++, CCM, C++, no such, oh, CD, C++, G++, A.exe, okay, slash A, CSVM doesn't exist, CSVM is not here. File name exists, file name doesn't exist. For the file name in file names, std string at, what? This is more confusing than this is more confusing than fucking for file name and file names or match. Did you know? No, did you know Python has match statements now since 3.11? 3.10 actually. Quite confusing. Quite nice. Um. So on top of this, we have okay, I use AI. Well, I use ChatGPT Copilot. I use Copilot to do most of my C++ coding, so I can look at it and be like, "Hey, this is cool. Why do we use std dash cout instead of printf? Like, if you don't use printf, that's confusing. Because what you fucking want to do is std the double dots twice, cout, arrow file name exists. Just do printf file name, then in the fucking semicolon tick dot fucking piece of shit. Like what? So if the thing, so if the thing exists, okay. If alright, now we need to rerun the whole thing again. I don't know what the noise was. Okay, so if it does exist, CSVM is ready to use. So we're running it. Then we just we point to, we do system pause. Are you fucking kidding me? We'll do system dot slash add-ons slash CS transpiler. Oh no, actually no. Dot slash compiler slash CSVM. This one. Fuck. Okay. Oh, I'm in a bit of a dilemma. Oh no. This is a good time. We can cd dot slash ls cd dot net C sharp program CS console line. Whoa. Using system collections genix link and queue text threading tasks. We'll just do system.threading because fuck it. And then tasks. Namespace. CSVM. Class programs that were main string redogs. Console doesn't contain a definition for what the fuck? Oh. Is what the hell? Oh, because we're not. Okay, there we go. That works. Bucket. Oh no, because oh shit, because we're doing a rewrite. Yeah. Uh oh no. I'm in the you know what? Fuck it. We'll use an older version of CubeScript.vessel. We'll use the older version of the unsupported the new the going to be new what the holy shit, that's cool. Linux? Huh? 122. Gimme. Give me the raw home DLL. Yeah, no, everything's still in there, so we'll do uh delete the object, the bin, the debug, the C++ files, all of that. Goodbye. CSVM. Fuck. This fuck is giving me a boner. Alright, from here in the C# folder, after deleting bin and object, we'll drop that in there, so then we can /csvm. This will do its connection to the internet, like a normal thing. Home DLL not found. Would you like to download it? Yes. I love this. This is the new version, 1.2.2. It's not available on the website, but you have to go to the on the site to in order to download version 1.2.2. Down the expansion update downloads the Linux version, which is confusing, which is 1.2.1 actually. Go down to the bottom where it says have any issues with downloading. Click the GitHub releases. It should bring you to 1.2.2. From here, do assets, download the zip file. It contains the bin and the exe. You know, that shit. From here, run it, and you get that, which is fucking amazing because I love it, and now I have to remake it. Alright, from here, exe home.dll, which is from the raw folder, raw main home.dll. That's where you can get all the updates and stuff. So then we /csvm new, which is quite cool. From here we can. Oh hi, sorry I'm screaming. They're doing some things, which is quite sad. Next door neighbors are doing some fucking things. See what? Yeah, integers on a slice is not string. That's because I was doing something. CSVM. No. I swear. Uh. Dash taxi. Dash VE. VE would report. Yeah, version's not defined. Dash T though. Oh, what the fuck? Okay, I forgot about this. What's going on? Something's wrong. Something is like disastrously wrong with this shit. Confusing. I know. Give me a bit. I'm setting this up. We do /csvm new, which should create unrecognized arguments new. Dash new create. I have the old folder on my desktop. Nope. Wrong folder. Reveal in File Explorer. C Sharp. CSVM. This one contains the icon. Yippee. So CSVM dash new. Be like, It's a new version of the standard. New. There we go. This one actually works. CS. Name a project. There we go. That gives us it. This gives us the system and the home DLL. Project.cspm gives us that, and then cspm.cusp. Yay. We don't even need to do using static home at all. It's completely fine as it is. All we need to do is using system. No. Using system. Actually, generic. Using system. Then we do system link queue, text, threading, tasks. You know, that shit. So, namespace, console, app, which is actually CSVM, class program, static void. Nope. We can do public struct main. Yippee. I don't have the plugin installed that does the code highlighting, which is sad because I've lost it. I'm gonna need to make a new one anyways, so yeah, give me that. Alright, so we do print, capital P. It's gonna get mad at us. We do hello world to give it a good. Oh, I forgot. C sharp, CSVM, dash compile. It'll probably be like, fuck you. Print doesn't exist. Alright, so we need the CSVM to be, which is this project. Print doesn't exist. Okay. Yeah, using static home has to be actually a thing. I'm going to fix that later on. The name home doesn't exist. Oh. Ooh, is this going to be those stupid, don't give me this fucking... Don't give me this fucking bullshit. Huh? Oh. No wonder. Something. Okay, please don't let it be. Okay, good. I'm just gonna copy this into this directory real quick. So paste. So then I run this again. It'll be like the name home could not be found. Yeah, so it'll capital H. The name home could not be found. It'll want like a using static home capital H. This is a bit weird to set up currently for me. The name print doesn't exist. Capital P because they changed it. I've lost the ways of CubeScript, so give me a break on this one. Alright, this one, print hello world. Alright, now we need to split the terminal with a PowerShell. This one can cd bin / debug net 8.0 dot / csvm. This one, okay, ls dot / csvm. It'll print hello world, hopefully. What? What do you mean 7 and 8 were installed? Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I haven't upgraded it to support Net 8 yet. Haha, lol. And then in here, I do dot slash cd csvm. This one will print hello world. Will it? Will it? Will it? Will it? Yes! Let's go. All right. Now. Oh, they're doing their stuff. Thank God I've got this. God, I'm tired. But it's only like 7:51. Huh. All right. So we've printed hello world. Now we'll do string. Rhinelines 2.csv. That motherfucker's just hamming it down on that shit. Alright. String cmd equals read line. Because we get that as a function, which is cool. We will print welcome class program. So this will be struct print welcome. This won't take any arguments because it'll be fine. Print go to CSV virtual machine for CSV hey, welcome to CSVM. Welcome to the CSVM. Oh, that's good. Shut up, me. Alright, hopefully this works. CMD read line. Switch, because we're not doing for loops, because look. Switch, CMD. I'm constantly looking over to see if they are spiking my audio. Alright, switch CMD at help. At no. Inside string, you fucking idiot. Stop. Land. Unknown command. Okay, this one. Okay, wait a minute. Hold on. We have the check. We have this. We're taking in arguments. So we don't need to do arguments if args length else. Okay. Please enter one of the following arguments to use the CSVM. Transpile a file, CSVM file. Yeah, if it's a file, it'll be fine. If it's transpile a directory, no. Okay, transpile the project CSVM build. Transpile the project CSVM and run. So if it's nothing, please run one of the things, you know, that stuff. Else string else if I'll do args dot length equals plus equals 0, then we will, if args is building, we'll transpile the project. If it's run, okay, so we'll do an individual file, just like GCC or G++ or Clang or Clang++, you know, that fucking sort of shit. So if you just want to transpile one file and you didn't make a project beforehand, just do CSVM run and then the file name. So fucking okay. So if args, okay, so we'll get the file. If it doesn't match any of the equivalent things, it's a file. Run it. Just run this sort of thing. If it's build or run, we'll search for the project.cspm file within the local directory. We will read the names from it, CSVM, and then we will apply a .exe or .bin. We'll do a .csvm attachment to the end of it, like we were doing in the old series of code. Here, let me find it actually. Old csvm.py. Yeah, it's probably this one, right? This one's gonna be like, whoa. Alright, so home DLL location to check CSVM, print information. If the command is, yeah, if args.compile, compile the project. Compile project would be in transpiler. Yeah, here's the horrible mess that we have for this version of transpiling. Yeah, you're looking at it right now. Here's all the code that does it. Here's the transpile event. It's a word replace method. I know it's not the best. I'm working it out. I wanted to get something out. Create output is okay. Compile. Actually, where is it? Compile project. Here we go. So we open project CSVM. We read the name of the error, or we read the file, all the lines. Otherwise, we'll print an error. And exit. From here, we'll get the current directory. We'll then glob the absolute living fuck out of the directory and search for a .cs project file. If that doesn't exist, if the file exists, get the base name. I know. If it's there, get the name of the file, .cs project file name, blah blah blah. It'll be fine. People can stuff. Otherwise, it's not there. Can't run it. I mean, why build the project if there's something you can't even build it in the first place? Otherwise, we will, for line in the file data, we'll get the name, say that we're compiling the file. Otherwise, error. We'll try to compile the file. The file will take the file name. It will be the file path equals the file name plus the C# extension, and then the file name is file name plus, yeah, I know we're doing a whole rewrite, is file name plus CUSP, cusp. From here, we'll compile the file name and then transpile the file path. With the name, with opening as read as the file, we'll read file name, get the text, transpile it with open the file path to write mode. We will write the file in the C# stuff in there, and then print compiling, and then it's good. It's done. And then, you know, after you've compiled the project, .NET build or .NET run, depending on the specific context we're running it in. But in here, it's going to be separate functions. Transpile project will run, well, fuck. Oh no, I'm in a deadlock right now. I'm confused. So there has to be. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is, so there's got to be a check to function to see if everything's working. It's all there. Then you know what? Fuck it. I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna take a break from work because I've been working too much. Fuck this. All right. Take care, all.